So this is itel A35. The solution here I'm going to show you now is about the battery connector. In this battery connector, the 3 pin you're seeing here represent first one is VBAT, and the middle one is NTC. Then the last one is GND. So you can see that the one at the middle, which is the which is the NTC. Yes, NTC. Yes, you can see it has gotten damaged, has pulled out from the board. So in this case, you need to use the running wire. You need to take your running wire. You can see that it has pulled out of the board. You can see it now. It has pulled out of the board. You can see that the NTC has separated from the board. So because of that, the phone may not boot properly. So in this solution, you take your running wire. Yes, you must use a running wire so your work will look smooth. You can see now that this place that I'm soldering now. I'm going to take my running wire now, then I will solder it from there, from this exactly point now. You can see solder the running wire from this point. Then you take it direct. To the NTC. But first of all, I have to clean my running wire so that I can be able to collect lead, so that I can be able to solder it. As you can see that I'm soldering it now. I've cleaned the other side. I'm cleaning the other side of the wire now. I've cleaned the left side, and this is the right side. I've cleaned it. Now it has absorbed lead. So after soldering it, then now you can see that I've taken to the middle leg, which is the NTC. Make sure you solder it so that it should look very strong, so that it's very well, so that it will not be able to cut. And you can use any battery. I see that I'm using a small battery, but this battery is having good capacity. Okay, now you can see now. Okay, you can see now. This works perfectly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and share. Thank you.